Hello, my name is Haley Bonity, and this is the Lab 6 check-in for my Connect 4 Unity game. First, we're going to start out with the tasks that are completed. I have an overall code structure for the game. I have also either created or found online a basic game board and some pieces, which you can see on the right. I also implemented the ability to place the chips with a mouse click. Additionally, the turn switch after a chip is placed, so if player 1 places a chip, it is now player 2's turn, and vice versa. There is also a back-end representation of the Connect 4 board that updates in real time. I have a current bug in my game, so there are invisible rectangle game objects that represent each column on the board, and they each have a script attached to them that recognizes when the mouse is clicked using Unity's new input system, and this calls a method to generate a new chip to fall into that column when it detects the mouse click. However, currently all of the game objects with this script are executing when a mouse is clicked, regardless of where it is on the screen. So I will have to do some more research to figure out how to only spawn a chip on the column that was clicked. Beyond the bug fix, there is some more tasks that I have to complete. These include improving aesthetics, improving the UI, so making it clear where to click in my game and whose turn it is. I also have to create a win detection algorithm, and upon a win, I have to restart the game. If time permits, after all these tasks are completed, I would like to implement a one-player option where you play against the computer. Here is the current game. When you start out, it just shows the board and the floor. When you click on a column, it drops the chips onto the board. As you can see, this is the bug I was mentioning earlier. It drops a chip in every column. However, you can see with the alternating colors, this tells us that we are successfully switching from player 1 to player 2 every time a new chip is spawned. You can also, you get more chips on the board, see with the debug statements that is printing out my back-end representation of the board that we are correctly and successfully representing the board using zeros, ones, and twos in a two-dimensional array.